say?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Just talk.
Look how he's holding it. You're holding it like a teddy.
I don't think it worked.
Yeah, it did. Holy shit.
Now you have to do it.
Wait, you have to do it too. Have him hold it. We'll have a conversation with each other.
Oh,
Hold
never
it.
mind. It didn't work.
Oh, this thing has been recording this whole time.
Yeah, it's recording.
Yeah, it's recording.
Alright, ready? Why'd you cut one off for you, bitch? You have to hold it so I can... It's not gonna work through there. You have to pop it. Did it work? No.
No.
Ready?
Did it work?
No! Just cut it. What the fuck is wrong with you? Cut it? Okay, cut it.
I love you, Diggy. I love you this much. I love you so much that I want to cry. Wait.
Ask me a question.
How long do I gotta hold this?
I like you, Frankie. A little bit.
A
Frankie,
little
you're
bit.
gay. Oh my god.
You sound like a...
Frankie, you're a homo.
I'm gay. I am gay.
You have big boobs.
I got really lightheaded. Oh shit. Hold on.
Angela, your butt is gross.
Wait.
Can I like stop recording this?
No!
Oh shit.
You have saggy titties. You're ugly. Because you have no money.
I missed. Wait, one more. Alright,
Frankie, I think you're a girl. Bye.